Welcome to Be Your, Be Your Own Guide. This is day 3 of the 30-day evening meditation series. If you have questions around the basics of meditation, how to sit, eyes closed, eyes open, how long, any and all questions around meditation, there's a link with the playlist with all of those questions answered below in the description. Let's start with the day's practice. Wherever you're choosing to do this practice, become as present as you can in that space, trying to become aware of your body, the the contact between your body and where your body is sitting. So the contact between your seat and the seat below, becoming aware of the contact, becoming aware of where you're sitting, the room, the area, wherever you are, becoming aware of the physical space. And then trying to become as aware as you can of the air just outside of your body. So the the climate, the air, the temperature touching your skin. It's a little cool, a little warm, a little hot, a little cold. Maybe it feels neutralish. And then from this awareness of the outside meeting you at the skin to then bringing the awareness from the skin, from the outside to the inside of the skin, and see whatever amount of the body that you can be aware of the skin through the body, throughout the body. And you might experience it in terms of the temperature, so a sense of warmness, coolness. You might experience it in terms of vibrations, tingling, maybe numbness, feeling nothing, maybe some pain somewhere, some ache somewhere, maybe some sweatiness, some prickliness, maybe some itchiness, maybe some tickliness. Just becoming aware of as much of the body, physical body, as you can in this moment, in the now. And then also becoming aware of any tightness, and wherever you feel, wherever you realize there is some constriction, if you can consciously let the muscles there loosen up. So noticing starting from the root chakra, the Muladhara chakra, the tailbone area around, in and around the tailbone, the the butt cheeks, the anal muscles. Seeing if there's any tightness there, as much as can be, allowing it to just loosen up. Many times what helps is as you take the in-breath, allowing the in-breath to sort of just infuse space. And then checking with the belly, loosening the belly a little bit more than what it is. Loosening the chest a little bit more than what it is. Noticing the back and the shoulder. If not already, straighten a little. Allow it to be a little more supple, a little more supple, a little more open. Mm. And then noticing the shoulders, allowing the shoulders to be nice and easy, loose, open, relaxed. Noticing the face, and noticing the jaws, if there's any tightness, letting the lower jaw drop a little, maybe even move it a little. Just allowing the jaws to release and relax. And similarly, temples, forehead, any tightness there, consciously with the breath that goes in. Allowing conscious space, ease and release with the breath out. Hmm. Now bringing awareness once to the spine, the straight, supple spine from the tailbone, from the tip of the tailbone to the tip, to the top of the head, as if a straight line. Not rigid though, straight and supple. Mm. And just notice as with this straight, supple spine as you breathe in, notice how smoothly, or maybe not so smoothly, the breath goes in, right into the belly, and then smoothly, softly, it goes back out. And as this breath is going in and out, as the spine is supple and straight, your seat is nice and firm and grounded. And as you bring your awareness to your seat, see if you want to expand the seat a little bit right, a little bit left, just allowing the seat to expand, become more comfortable. Hmm. Now notice this grounding within your own being, your seat, your spine, your easy breathing in and out, grounded, supported. Hmm. Nervous system resourced. Hmm. And if you want, you can also take help of the sighs. Exhale with a sound. Hmm. A smile on the face is also helpful to relax. Not a forced smile, but what tends to happen is once your muscles are loosened up, once your body feels comfortable to open up, loosen up, automatically there's a smile. Hmm. Hmm. Now, from this space, from this, my invitation is for you to focus on as much of it as is there. So from the space of as much openness, as much softness, as much ease, as much support, as much grounding as you have in this moment. Hmm? Whether it's a teeny tiny percent or it's 100%, doesn't matter where you are. Noticing that even that teeny tiny percent from this space, I invite you to offer a prayer of gratitude first to your own being. Thank you, me. Thank you, me, for showing up. Thank you, me, for trying. Thank you, me, for being the best me that I can be. And when you hear these words or when you say these words, notice if you feel some friction with them. The friction doesn't mean you have to agree or disagree. Just notice the friction. It has a story. And if you can sit with it, it might narrate it to you. Hmm. And now from this space, now that I've poured my cup by thanking, offering gratitude to me, if I may feel called to, may I pour this gratitude outside. And so, taking a moment and offering a small prayer of gratitude to any one, or maybe say one, two, three things from the day to day. Thank you, dash, I'm grateful that, dot, 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 dot. So we can just on our own take a few moments. No pull and push, just whatever comes up. There can be times that it's really hard for to feel that gratitude for anything. And in those moments, if you can just for a moment be grateful for the air that you're breathing in. If you can be grateful to wherever you are sitting in this moment. Because the idea is not so much about gratitude to something or someone. The idea is the practice of building the sense, the felt sense and experience of gratefulness, of gratitude. Because gratitude, there's also research now that says gratitude is what leads to happiness, not the other way around. Hmm. And now I invite you to, again, if you feel called to, if you feel comfortable, offering a small prayer request to your own body, to the universe. May may you have a restful night. May you rejuvenate as best as you can. And to the universe. May what I need, may what I need to be the me that I want to be, may that be guided. May I be guided to that. May I be shown the path. May I be supported on my journey, moment to moment to moment. And now, as we close the practice, coming back to ourselves, so hands, palms facing down on the knees, gently holding the knees, pushing the back of lower back, arching it out, chin to the chest. As you feel complete for now, opening your eyes, looking at your own body, caressing your thighs, gently rubbing, massaging torso, chest, arms. If you're if you want to know how to best use this 30-day series, there's a video. The link will be attached in the description, so you can watch that to understand the purpose behind a 30-day series and some tips to how to best use them. But even if you don't see that video, just doing any sort of meditative practice, you will find instant benefit. Like if you followed this practice today, in this moment, at now, right now, as you're listening to me, you are your own witness of the benefit. And this is momentary benefit. But when we do these practices on a consistent basis, day after day after day after day after day, slowly, eventually, it changes the structure of the brain and the patterns and ways and nature of the mind. And so the benefit is twofold. One is immediate. As soon as you do a practice like this, you see the instant benefit. And then as you keep doing it consistently, there is a longer term benefit. All right. I hope you have, if you're watching this at night, I hope you have a good night ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.